come out from the shyness to shine.
Okay.
Yeah,
You want
I
to
have
come
the
out?
stage fear to speak in front of the people.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. I could talk well communicated in Tamil, but I couldn't not well communicated in English.
English.
Yeah,
Okay.
when something like that, presentation in the class, something like that, and not
Okay.
mm, something
Hmm.
having shyness to speak in English with others like that.
Hmm.
And
Okay.
so break that break that fear. I come in to attend this program.
Okay. So initially, I also had the fears, like fear to speak in English, because we studied in our vernacular language, Kannada. Okay.
Yeah.
And I'm not a graduate. Okay. I failed in PUC.
Okay.
So, like, I'll always like somebody speak in English, I feel small in front of them. And whenever I go to interview, I can't speak to them, because like for me, like I am very small, they are big, they are educated, right? Something like that will come and I will stop, go, I will go prepare everything and I will go to the interview. In front of them, if they ask any question, I will be dumb, like I will not speak anything. Or because of some fear, like I will stop myself and I will come back. And after that, after a few attempts, I stopped talking. And also initial days, like I can't speak English, because like I'm not studying English medium.
Yeah.
So when I go to interview, they will tell like improve your English and come back. So I attend 3 4 interviews and then thought like it is not for me. It is for people who are educated and all. So I left that. Then I went to marketing. So I worked for 15 years in marketing. Okay. I grown there, but then also after 15 years working also, I always had like I can't face unknown people. If some emergencies, company pressure is there, then only I go and speak to them. Only I will speak about like what is needed. I don't ask like what is your name or what you do. I can't ask anything. I go simply and I will tell them like this is what required. That is what company told me. So I need this. That's all. Whatever they tell, I will complete that. I will tell one time and I will come back. And in family, always I am a shy person. Okay. In family, I only speak to known people. Unknown people, I can't speak. What happens when family relation far relatives comes? No, rarely. My mom will say like, why you are not talking to them, right? Talk to them like that. If it is close relative, I can talk, but if it is far or if they are rich, I can't speak to them. Like they are big, I am very small. Like that, there was a hesitation, shyness, or fear. What I don't know that what it was, but I am not able to speak. So that's what my journey. After 15 years or so, it was like that. So then I came to know like I attended many trainings. I went to many training sessions, and then I found out that so there is no. It is all like imaginary fears, not real,
Okay.
right? You are also human being. I am also human being, right? We are equal actually. So when I started relating that, like I am also human being, they are also human being, right? Some status are there, like we see some people are more rich, some people are poor. It's always there. How much ever crores I will earn, it will be always there. Okay, some people will be higher than me, some people will be lower than me. Okay, if I start the training also, no, some people will be very good in speaking, right? They know very good English, right? I speak, look, for me now English is not a barrier. Before that I used to think, oh, I'm from Kannada, I don't know English, I make many spelling mistakes. Or in this training also you can see I make many mistakes in English. So because it's fine, because I don't want to do PhD in English, right? But my intention is like I came out of that fears, everything. So it took 15 years. Okay. So in 15 years, if I had same capability now, no, I would have grown very well. Okay. Last two years, I grown 10x in 15 years, I not even grown 1x. Okay, because of that hesitation, I can't speak, right? And I can't speak in stage, right? So hesitation, I can't speak to rich people or educated people. That stopped me, it it spoiled my growth. That was some imagination, that's all it was, right? So then I found what is the procedure to come out of that. So then I thought like me, many people are there, so I can help them to come out so that they can grow faster. Okay. So that's what my intention was. So I started online. Okay. Great. Thank you.
Thank you, Shivu.
Yeah. Thank you.
Wonderful.
Thank you. Yeah. Hi, Ritika. Ritika, we can continue the yesterday conversation. Then we'll speak about next conversation. Is it
Okay.
fine? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So from yesterday interaction, have you did the assignment? Have you listed what and all imaginary fears you have, what real fears you have?
Yes, I have seen it in internet.
I didn't get you.
Yes, I have saw it in internet. I have seen it.
Okay. Any action you took?
Yes, I came to know that which fear I got is imaginary fear and it's not a real fear. We can get out of it.
Okay.
I came to know that.
Right. So imaginary fear you had, is fear of public speaking, right?
Yes.
So you want to overcome that. I also
Yes.
tried many things to overcome that. I attempted many times. But when it is a imaginary, it is like believing something, it is there. Like there is a wall. Believing that, imagining that there is a wall and we are fighting against it.
Yeah.
We can't win that battle because if it is there, we can use some tools and we can broke that, right? If it is a imaginary, then there is no way we can fight. How much ever you fight, you will become depressed after fighting.
Yes.
If it is really there, we can fight, right?
Yeah.
So you saw that, right?
Yeah.
So now, are you free from that fear? Have you got the freedom? Have you got fear is a friend? It will support me to survive. It is not stopping me, right? The imagery that is mind created thing. Okay. So if you understand that, you can live that thought and you can speak, right?
Yeah.
So you wanted to speak in public, right? Can you speak 1 minute about one topic?
Which topic?
What is success? You can speak what is success to you? Here 7 8 people are there, so can you speak?
Okay. Success for me is physically, mentally, and socially well-being, not only the financially well-being. And success for me is where I have a happiness too, and I can keep my family members happy.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay, great. Thank you. Okay, so you speak publicly now, right? You practically did that right now, right? We have people, all kind of people there, employees are there, right? Business people are there, right? Managers are there, right? All kind of people are there. So you are speaking in front of them, right?
Yes.
Now, can you take it forward? Now you came out of that fear, fear of public speaking, right? You spoke in front of us now about one topic that is also you are not prepared. Randomly, I picked one topic, you speak, right?
Yes.
Right. Now, do you have the freedom? Are you experiencing that freedom from fear? Can you continue the public speaking journey, or you want to start a YouTube channel, or you want to speak in front of your clients or in office? So can you boldly speak now?
Yes, I will try my best.
Okay, great, thank you, congratulations. Okay, anything else you want?
No.
Right, this is what, like, in 5 days you wanted to accomplish, like you accomplished that, right? That is great. Now you can take it to next level, right? Maybe speaking to large group of people, or that you can practice, like you can prepare for the speech, you can give the participate in competitions, right? That is next level. Right now you are started your journey. Okay, you experienced that, so you can just, like, write down any fears come, you have to do the small exercise. Is it imaginary fear or real fear? If it is a real fear, then we can take some action. Okay, if it is an imaginary fear, we just identify it, drop it, we can continue the journey, right? Great,
Okay.
thank you, Ritika. Any other fears you have, or if it is not complete for you, you can come back. Okay, you can try it out another 3 days we have. Okay, tomorrow try to make one video, one topic. Okay, about 10-15 minutes, or YouTube channel you want to create, or you want to speak to some people, have a conversation with them. If anything, then also if you are facing, then we can go deeper and we can clear that also. Okay, so take a practically 1 or 2 actions on speaking. Okay, then come back. Okay,
Okay.
great, thank you, Ritika.
Thank you.
Yeah, anybody else? Yesterday, Pranshu Shukla, welcome.
Hi.
Hi, are you there tomorrow, yesterday?
I just went through the recorded lecture today. Actually.
Yeah, okay, great, welcome.
Hi.
So you can share, like, in 5 days what you want to accomplish. Like Ritika wanted to accomplish, she wanted to speak in public. She yesterday attended one session and she completed one step successfully.
Mhm.
Okay, so what you want to accomplish in 5 days?
Actually, there's nothing as such that I wish to accomplish. But recently there's been something with me, a fear regarding the studies.
Mhm.
For the earlier years, I used to just sit down without thinking a thought, giving it a thought, and started to study. And gradually, in 10 to 15 minutes, I would get my focus and I would start studying. In last November, what happened? I sat to study for about 2 months later. And the moment I started studying, I couldn't focus. So I just had a thought, might be I'm not able to study the way I used to. And then I got a fear that what if I sit to study and then again I couldn't focus or I couldn't get anything. Like everything was clear right in front of me. I knew what I was reading, but I couldn't understand any word of it because I had no focus at that time. And since then, that fear is what somewhat has there in my heart. So whenever I sit to study, there is something in my brain which keeps stopping. Okay, you can't do it. You can't do it. You can't do it. So it's like I literally can't do it. But then are days when I don't give a thought to anything and I just sit to study. So after gradually 10 to 15 minutes, I get my focus back. So I'm trying to deal with this fear by just more and more studying so that my mind accepts that there's nothing like that. But still, that's difficult to do that.
Okay, after watching the video also, you are still facing that yesterday video you watched. It's like
I clearly discriminated that it's an imaginary fear of mine. Maybe if I would just sit to study and start studying, I might slowly get rid of the fear. But it's actually difficult to sit down to study that way.
Okay, after that process also you are finding it difficult, right?
Yeah, it's a bit difficult. Actually, I didn't try it. I just went through that video like today afternoon. So I haven't implemented that yet. But yeah, it's a fear in my mind. It's an imaginary fear, I know that. But that's difficult to overcome.
Yeah, right now, right? You know it is an imaginary fear. Then also you are finding it difficult, right? Right? Like right now, your thought process is like it is still difficult. I know it is imaginary, then also it is difficult to go out that it will take long time you are thinking, right? So that is the thought process now, right? Yeah, great. Like we will continue the conversation. So we will go to the deeper level today. So how you can
Okay.
disappear that.
Okay.
Okay, great. Just a minute. Okay, anybody else want to share like what you want to accomplish? iPhone, may I know your name? Yeah, welcome all of you. We will start the session. Okay, so I'll share my whiteboard. Like, is it visible?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
So, like how you can come out from the anger, fear, anger, like all kind of the feelings, right? So we have
There's
to
also a self-doubt thing.
self-doubt, right? Okay. So first of all, we will cover the like superstition or illusions. Superstition, is the spelling correct or not? I don't know. You can select superstition or illusions. Okay. So what superstition or illusions do? Like superstition means like or illusions means like there is a always belief like if cat go in front of you when you are going, it is not the good sign. Okay. Whoever believes that, what they will do, how they act, take action, like they will stop for some time in villages, like they'll stop for some time or they will go back, they will not continue the work because it is a bad sign, right? Whoever believes it, they will take action according to that. Okay, whoever not believes that, they will continue the journey. Okay, so in why I am saying that in our life what happens, like you say, for example, just a minute, I'll run a poll. I'll just stop this here. So I will run the poll. You can click on that, like what is your persona, what you think. You can just click on the poll. Can you see the poll? Like I am shy, I'm introvert, like whatever you think, you can click on that. Okay. I'm analytical. Okay. So you can click like what you like. I am shy, I am introvert, like what you say about yourself. Okay. Like 50% of people, like 33% are saying I'm shy, and 75% of people are saying I am introvert. I'm perfectionist. Few people are saying I'm short temper. Few people are saying I'm fearful. I'm analytical, right? Okay. So I will share the screen now. Whiteboard. Okay. So when you say I am fearful, I am doubting myself, right? I am shy, introvert, right? Analytical, right? When you say I am fearful, like when you say I am, right? It is a illusion or superstition. Why I am saying that? Because personality, human being has a personalities, right? Human beings have all kind of personalities, right? Human beings are like to have the like fearful personality, doubtful personality, shy, introvert, analytical, all kind of personalities every human being has. It is not one person, right? So I will be shy sometimes, I will be confident sometimes, I will be experiencing sometimes very bored, I will be experiencing sometimes very fearful, I will be experiencing sometimes very shy, I will be very introvert with my uh, unknown people, I will be extrovert with my known people, right? So it is not a fixed thing. Okay, it is not a fixed, like mobile is fixed, like we can't change. Mobile is mobile, we can't change it, right? But when you say I am fearful, I am doubtful, doubting myself, then you are labeling yourself, right? You are labeling yourself, I am that. You are fixing yourself to that way of being or your persona, right? It is not a fixed thing. You can be fearful, you can be excited, you can be bored, right? You can create anything. But when we people will say, like when I became short temper, like when I was a child, I angry on one of the kid and I throw a stone on him, right? Then everybody started saying how much angry you are short temper, right? Then I believed that I am a short temper. After that, I believed that I labeled myself. They are telling I agreed that I am a short temper. People are telling I am agreed that I am a shy, right? So, or some situations happened. I thought myself like I am an introvert. I am not an extrovert. And when I failed in PUC exam, I made myself I am a small person. I am not good enough. I am doubting myself, right? So when you say I am, no, it is an illusion. Like you can be any way. You can create any kind of being. Any questions, yeah, buts? Anything anyone want to ask regarding this? Pranshu, John.
No, Sarish. And
So any questions on this? Have you got like, is it a superstition or any doubts you have or any questions you have regarding this topic?
Satish,
Yes.
do these illusions are, is it necessary that they are based on some circumstances or situations, or they can be imaginary as well?
Yeah, it is fine. Like it is a God gift, like imagination. Like we can imagine anything. Like somebody imagined something and found a mobile. Somebody imagined and he created a laptop, right? Imagination is very good in one angle. Also, it is limiting in another way, right? Anything is like, if fear is very good, right? And also, if it is an imaginary fear, it will stop you from taking action, right? And we are not talking about good or bad. Like everything if you take, it has a both sides. It will be good also, it will be bad also. If you take a knife, you can use it for operating and save one life, Like in operation
Mhm.
theaters, they will use to save one life.
Mhm.
Also, you can use it to kill a person, right? It has
Mhm.
both sides.
Mhm.
Like how you use it, it depends on you. Like you have all the kind of way of being. Like I can speak, even I am I am failed in QC. I am a Kannada medium. I don't know English very well. I make many mistakes. Even though I can speak confidently in front of you, right? That is the way of being, right? You can be confident anywhere, right? Whenever you want, like you can create anything like that.
Mhm.
Like you can create a anger, like anger, if you use anger as a tool, you can make somebody do something. Like if you show anger on your employee or somebody not working or somebody not doing something in your
Mhm.
family, if you show a anger as a tool, then some results you will get, right? At the same time, if anger uses you as a tool, then you get disappointed,
Mhm.
right? Simply like shouting at somebody or some arguments happen, like in arguments of what happened, we start with one topic, it ends in another topic, we don't know why that topic came also, right? This kind of experience happens in everyday life. So you can use anger as a tool so that you can be successful. Also, that anger can stop you from doing many things, or it satisfy you. It will not fulfill
Mhm.
your experiences, right? It has both the sides, right?
Right.
So now, like how you become like that, right? We will clear this. So who you are, who you are now is like because of, you may say, past, right? Like who you are now is because of past experiences, right? Experiences or school or friends, right? Right? Who you are today is because of the past experiences or something, right? This is the past, okay? You are like, this is the past, okay? So now there is a present. And here is the future, right?
Mhm.
Past, this is present. Future. Like we have past, present, and future, right?
Mhm.
Like who you are now is because of what? Is it because of the past? Anybody can answer? Like who you are today is because of the past,
Yeah, it's like the impressions of our past.
right? But past, like past is past, we can't do anything about it, right?
Mhm.
Pastness never not exist right now, but how it can impact you, or if it is impacting, why it is impacting? Like I say, like past has nothing to do with your life, zero. You can't, it can't do anything,
Mhm.
right? But why it looks like past is impacting us, maybe our experience, all that, why it looks like that?
Past has created some illusions in ourselves, which we tend to apply in the present moment, I guess.
Means past is in the present, you are saying past is existing in the present?
No, the past is there in our memory.
Yeah, memory means it is there in present.
Yeah, it is still there in present, and by that past we have created some illusions which we can't overcome.
So look, it is even worse. Past is not located in the present. It is located in the future. It is located in future.
How?
I will say one example. Okay.
Mhm.
Like,
Okay.
I am in an office one day. Okay. So much work has been given. So much pending work was there. I was very low, like so much work, and also some work was there in home. I need to leave early, but some teammates also not there. So I'm like, how I can complete the, I'm worried. So at the after 5 minutes, one of my friend called me and he told like, tomorrow vacation is booked, we are going Goa. So at that moment, I'm like very excited. I'm very happy, like tomorrow we are going to, I lost that worry, I forgot that worry and all. What I did, like a few work are there, like I like how I started thinking like how I can complete this work, so that I go and pack, and there's so much things to do. I have to leave today. I fed up with this work and all. So, and also I have to complete work. So what I did, I requested few team members to complete. I allotted some work I completed. So I left the place. Okay. I'm very happy. I forgot what was happening in law. There is a breakdown, so much work, what boss will say. That was nothing was there at that moment. At that moment, I'm very happy. So I went to the Goa. I am in Goa, like in the beach. We are having drinks. Okay. Sitting in the beach. Suddenly in mobile, one message comes like, your ticket has been booked to go back. Okay. This is the ticket number, like another 1 hour you are leaving. At that moment, even I am in a like very good place with friends, we are enjoying, no tension. But this message made me very unhappy. Again, I have to go to that work, again that boss, that politics, that I have to do this, I have to do shit, man. Like, right now, like when I was in office, my present was shaped by the future, right? Future of Goa is shaping my present. I am happy, even though so much work is there. But when I am in the Goa, when I saw that message of ticket going back, return, even though I am in very good place, happy, at that moment I was worried. Right? So, like your present is not shaped by the
Past.
past. It is not shaped by this. So present is shaped by the future. Okay. So your future will color and shape your present. Okay. So, but it always looks like past is giving us, like past something happened, it will impact. It looks like that. Why it looks like? Because in past, like if I done the business in partnership, I lost the money, then what decision I make? I will never do the business again with partnership. Then this decision is where it is located, it is in future. Okay. And breakup, love breakup. Okay. Somebody cheated me. Okay. When at that happens, what we will think? I will never love. Okay. Or I will only marry arranged marriage. Okay. Or some other decision. Like one of my friend took a decision that he will propose her till she agree, then he will reject. Okay. He decided that, and he took 2 years to do that. after 2 years, she ran her behind her, did everything, and when she came to him and proposed him, he told, I don't love you. He decided this moment, and he kept that decision in here, and he worked for that, and finally he rejected her. Okay, so this is the past decisions, like past something happened, we kept that decision in the future. So whatever is here, it is shaping our present. Right?
Hmm.
Any questions, anything you want to ask? So now we know that we first day we see like there is a real fear, imaginary fear. Okay, then we came to know that like it is a illusion and superstition that I am something, like I am not an object, like personality is not an object, like I am shy, it is fixed, I am introvert, it is fixed, I am hardworking, it is fixed, I am analytical, it is fixed. It is not like that. Like we will behave in certain way in certain situations. Okay, in with friends we will be very free, we can talk anything. In home, if I like myself, like in home I will be like silent, obedient, whatever mother will say I will do. But when I go out, we smoke, we will like drink, we do whatever, we will make a fun, like everything we'll do, right? With friends I am behaving in certain way, with my like in family I am behaving in certain way, right? And also in some situation I'm very confident, I will speak very loud or very confidently. But
Mhm.
before, like when I go to interview, like I can't face them, or I can't face like rich people or people who are highly educated, I can't face them,
Inferiority complex.
right? Like what, that is all because I failed in the PUC. I failed in PUC. So what happens, I am small, that is there in the past, I failed in PUC. At that moment what decision I took, I thought myself like, I am small, I am not good educated, right? I don't know English, I studied in Kannada medium, right? So this past no ran my 15-20 years of life. Okay, I never able to speak, even though I made attempt, I wanted to do stage performance or something, I can't do, right? Because why stage performance I can't do is because like when I was in 8th standard, I went to stage and I forgot the poem, everybody laughed. At that moment I took a decision that stage is not for me, like I'm not good in stage. Right, when I am studying English, I think I'm not good in English, right? So this decision is here and it will shape every day of my life. Okay, now you know that it is located in future, right? Now how we can come out of that? Any idea? Like how many of you come out of that anger and you want to find out the source where it started? Can somebody, we can work with somebody so that we can practically disappear that. Who
I
want to work
usually
with?
try to distract myself.
Yeah. Menu of Pranshu,
Hi, this is
right?
Pranshu.
Yeah. Can you come on video? Is it fine?
Yeah, it's absolutely fine.
I'll stop my share just a minute. Yeah, hi Pranshu. Yeah, tell me
Hi,
now,
Satish.
like what you want to disappear or you want freedom?
Uh, I didn't want any such freedom from anything. It's
Like
like,
what?
yeah,
Yeah.
you were saying something.
No, you can say like what, like anything is stopping you, fear or anything, anger or something, like what, like what located in future or something, some decision, it will stop you or.
It's like we don't have the stable thoughts, I guess. At one moment, we are so very excited for the things or so much motivated, and another moment we go dull about the same thing. Like, for example, if I get to order something for me, I was very excited while ordering it. But the moment I received it, I said, okay, fine. I just got that like that.
Yeah, it always happens because it happens. It happened with me also. Like I wanted to do something, then I start. I will come back. I think it is not for me, right?
Yeah, the
And
thoughts aren't that
again,
stable. Like when I go to sleep at night, I have thoughts that, okay, tomorrow I'm going to just wake up, I'll sit by my table, I'll start studying, I'll sit for 4 hours, all that. I have all that confidence in me. But the morning when I wake up, it's all gone.
yes. So in like possibilities like that, like possibility will go away like this. Okay, if you don't keep it in structure, no, like morning this time I will do this. Okay, and afternoon I'll do this. Like that is the, if you don't have the structure, then we will not do anything, because human beings are designed to be lazy. Okay, in certain things I am very lazy. Okay, certain things you are lazy, right? Like basically we are built like that. Like it is nothing wrong or right or wrong about it. Like basically we are like that. Okay, so and like also you have to ask 3 questions. Okay, when whatever you want to do, no, like is it worth doing that? You have to ask question, like is it worth doing? Like if I didn't get any profit 1 year also or 15 years also, is it worth doing that? And also, like do you see the results? Like do you see that, like there is something is there, I want to achieve that. For example, one of the treasure hunter, right, in one of the country, I don't remember which country. So he, you know, he wanted to hunt the gold, like he know that there is a gold in the like ocean. He know, like so many people told him like there is a gold in the river. Like nobody attempted. Like he decided like there is a gold in the river. He believed that like there is a gold in the river, 100% it is there. Okay, then he's decided I must go and search that anyway. It is the like treasure, like it is the big gold khajana like that. So then what he did, like he decided that he must like search for that. He, what he did, no, he started first year. He went 1 year, he had whatever he had money or something, took and went to the ocean. He searched everywhere. He came back. He, like next year, like again he, like he wanted to go there. Like it is there, he is fixed on that, he is believed that it is there. Okay, and also is it worth it? He thought like is it worth, like if he gets that, like it is $1 billion he will get, right? Like for him it is worth, okay, taking the risk and going there. So what he did, when he don't have the money, he enrolled many people. He told this much share I will give you, give me some money so that I will search and I will get that. So he again goes, again goes. He took 15 years. After many, like many people didn't give him money, so many things happened. After 15 years he gets that, right? One of the ancient jewelries, it is worth $1 billion. Okay, after 15 years attempt. Why he did that? Because first was he believed that it is there. Okay, he must do it. And is it worth to investing 15 years? Yes, because like he got $1 billion. In lifetime, people will not able to earn that much, right? Maybe he struggled so much, many things he did, but he thought that he's worth doing this, right? So you have to think like whatever you want to do, maybe job or something, is it worth doing it? Maybe if you want to continue that, right? And also like you said like you are lazy or something. What you are saying to yourself?
No, I'm not lazy. I have an illusion that if I sit to study, then I won't be able to get that. So
You have
because of that fear,
yeah, you have a fear like you will not get. What you will not get?
like when I was set to study, so I won't be able to get what I'm reading. I won't be able to understand that. Despite the fact knowing that I am not focused enough to understand that,
Like
still I
when
have that.
okay, like when you got that thought first time when you
It's like
experienced.
last November. Last November when I sat to study now, so I was sitting like two with a gap of 2 months. So I had no focus, but I have that confidence. Okay, I already know that also I can do it very easy. But when I sat to study, because of no focus, I wasn't able to get a word from it. So that thought got engraved in my mind that I am not that well now as I used to be, and I can't study the way that I can learn things the way that I did. So since then, that thought is there in my mind. So whenever I sit to study, I have that thought recurring in my mind, and then things go bad.
Okay, so now you can see, right? So there is the like what really happened. Okay, what really happened is you 2 months you didn't read, right?
Yep.
Okay, 2 months you didn't read anything else. Are you failed or there is any impact or anything happened
No,
other
I
than that?
I did I didn't fail.
Okay, two
It was
months
not.
you
I
didn't
have.
read. Okay, anything else
I had
happened?
no. I had prepared that subject very well. So I was having confidence that whenever I sit to study, I'll do that in like a month or so. That full subject. But since I gave a gap of 2 months, so I guess I forgot most of it. But I still retained that confidence in me that I would be able to do that.
Okay, you already retained that
I hope you're
confidence.
getting.
Yeah, you already retained that confidence. You know right now you can do it or
Yeah, I
anything.
had that confidence, and I also sat with that confidence. But when I opened my books, I didn't had the focus. So because of the focus, I was able to get that thing. But my mind thought, okay, I can't do this thing anymore because I have had a gap of 2 months, and now my brain has just nullified.
See, okay. Like what really happened is 2 months you didn't read. That's what
Yes.
happened, right? Anything else other
Yes.
than that?
No,
So
nothing.
you
No, nothing.
right, you created a story around it. Okay. What is the story? Because of 2 months you didn't read, I am not able to focus, right?
Hmm.
I am not able to focus. Just a minute. I'm not able to focus. Anything else you said? Before I was
No,
good.
nothing else.
Before I was good, right?
Yeah, earlier I was good at
Hmm,
understanding and learning things.
good. Now I am not, right?
Hmm.
Anything else you said?
No, nothing.
So what you did here, no story or you gave a definition.
Hmm.
Okay. So what happened here? No, like what happened is, this is what happened. Okay. And there is a, like your mind created something here. Okay.
Hmm.
It's fine.
Hmm.
Now what happened, we say is ontological red zone. What is ontological red zone is, here what happens when you combine this both. Okay. When you combine this both, no, it automatically happens in the brain. Okay.
Hmm.
When you combine this, here, okay, when you combine this, no, with these two, it will create fear, everything, because like what really happened and the definition you give, no,
Hmm.
right, automatically it got mixed up, and it will create a
Story in my mind.
triangle, right? This
Okay.
red zone, red triangle, it will create ontological triangle. Then
Mhm.
what happens, you forgot this and this, you believe in drama, like it will have create a drama here. Okay. Like in movies, what happens, no, it is like that. In movies something is happening, right? So it is like a movie, it became a movie now, drama, it is become like you are not in touch with reality, and also you don't know what story you created. Now you are living in this red zone. Always you will think that like I am not good now, I am not
Hmm.
able to focus now, right?
Mhm. Mhm.
And this triangle keeps on like that only, it will keep on like create a brain patterns like this. Okay. So after that, what you will do is you forget, like you didn't, like 2 months you didn't read, right? It can't impact you. 2 months you didn't read it, it's fine, right? Many people don't read many, right? And now how you can come out of that? No, you can separate this. You have to erase this.
How do I do that?
Okay, you have to separate this so that drama will disappear. Like now you have to come back to what real in reality. You have to come to reality and see like only what happened is 2 months you didn't study.
Didn't study.
Okay. Okay. And this is the story you created. Like, right? Like 2 months you didn't study. Does it mean that I am not able to focus? Is it real? Like when you come out of that and you, if you see, no, it is two, like there is a one imagination is there, story, imaginary story. One is really what happened. Really what happened is 2 months you didn't study.
Yeah.
Like is it equal to this?
No.
Right, this is not equal to, right? This is not equal to this, right? Who
Yeah.
made
Yeah.
it
Yeah.
equal?
I got this. Thank you so much. Thank
Right.
you so much, Satish.
Right, you got that? Great.
Yeah, I got that.
Right. So great. So anything, no, you can disappear in that this way, right?
Mhm.
So I want you to practical take on anything stops you. If you practice this, no, you can disappear this triangle,
Mhm.
that whatever is happening here, no.
Mhm.
So you should just erase that, and then you can see now when you erase that, no, you can see you are out of the story. Or else what happens, you are in the movie. Sometimes in movie, no, seeing we cry, right?
Yeah.
that means what? You are in the movie.
Mhm.
You are not like an observer, you are seeing that.
Yeah, I'm being
Like
part of
emotionally,
it.
you attach to it. Okay.
Yeah.
So what you do, you emotionally attach to it, not even thinking this is not equal to this, right?
Mhm, mhm.
Okay. So you came out of that. Anything else you need?
No, nothing as such. Thank you
Right.
so much, Satish.
So like in 5 days, this is what you wanted to accomplish, or anything else you
Yeah,
wanted?
yeah, this is it.
Right. Just a minute. I'll stop the share. Yeah. Like how is your experience right now?
It's
Is
it's a
there
great
anything?
experience.
Is there anything? Nothing is there, right? That kitch. Nothing is there, right?
Exactly.
Okay. Now you can study. Now you can
Yeah,
create.
sure.
Like now.
I'll try to.
So now what you can create? Now what you can create?
I'll have
Right.
to tell myself
Like
that.
right. 2 months not studied. Okay. You can give a new
Mhm.
definition. 2 months not studied means like Steve Jobs. He failed in thing. He created his own empire.
Mhm,
Right.
mhm,
You didn't study 2 months. You can create what you can create. Now you
mhm.
can give
I
any
can
definition.
create it.
Any definition you can give. Right.
Yep.
It is
Yeah.
in your control now. Right. So what
This
definition?
is actually what has happened to me. I didn't study it for 2 months. Okay. And then subsequently after that, my mind subconsciously started creating a story that maybe I'm not that sharp enough now that I used to be, because of which I'm not able to study that clear headed. But I somewhere know that, okay, it's not about the sharpness, because when I read other books other than my syllabus, some biographies or some fiction literature, I could easily get that. Okay, I'm learning that all. But whenever I used to sit to study those books, then I couldn't get
Yeah.
that confidence in.
Yeah, when you study books, no, practically we fail to implement that. That is what happened. Like now you can practically see that in your life, right? Oh, this is what this is not equal to this, right? It is simple. This is not equal to this. This is just an image. Like I have given three angles. Right? First angle was like it is imaginary and real. Okay, that is one angle, right? Another angle was future, present. Like that was another angle, right? That angle also you didn't came out of that. Right now I am giving the third angle, right? This is third angle. Like you got that right now, right? Great. How is your experience
Thank you
right
so
now?
much. It's great. It's great.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. Welcome.
I've struggled. I really have been struggling with this for like 2 months now.
Yeah, like it can be disappear like this, right?
Mm.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much, Ati.
Yeah, before joining the session, do you believe that like it will go away? Like is this like that?
I actually didn't thought this thing this way, the way you told me.
Yeah, yeah. Great. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for
Thank you.
joining. Have a great day. Create the life you love. Okay.
Same to you, Satish.
Great. Thank you. Anybody else want to work with me? Anil Kumar. So anybody, any questions you have, any aborts about like whatever we discussed, or do you want to work with me? Anil, are you there? Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much, Satish.
Pranshu, John, Anil
Thank you
Kumar.
so much.
Okay, welcome. Tomorrow we will have another session. Okay, you can join. Okay, and also like whatever you wanted to accomplish, you already accomplished in 2 days. So now you can create another thing, like what you in another 3 days. What like one thing you want to achieve, like anything you want to start, any goals you have. first step you want to take or anything, you can start that. Any challenges we can practically see and we can disappear that. Okay, great.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for being here. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm glad that you got the breakthroughs. Okay, great to hear. We will be ending the call right now. If you don't have any questions, okay, thank you for coming. Bye, take care. We will meet tomorrow again. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye Pranshu. Bye John. Bye
Bye.
Anil.